Howdy, folks. So, if you haven't guessed by now, I am not the delightful crafter. I'm actually her husband, and she has allowed me to make this video about making magical wands, which you may have seen in certain, maybe movies or read about in a book. But of course I had to ask her permission first, as most of us guys have to do. When we want to do something, we normally ask our wives. That's what we have to do. Yeah. So, let's get started. I've made many of these for the neighborhood kids. They're very, very simple to make. Basically, a dowel rod. About 12 inches long. You can get these from your local hardware store. You need a glue gun. Obviously, glue. Paint, and I'm going to talk about this here in a bit. Some contrasting color paint, and we're going to talk about this more. You want this more for your fine detailing work. And just a simple paintbrush. That's all you need, really. It's very cheap to make. So, normally what I do is I round off the tip of this wand. Okay? Now, I then take my glue gun, insert my glue stick. Once I heat it up, I then utilize that to start making a handle around the dowel rod. And it will come out looking something like this. So the glue will be kind of a different texture. Hopefully you can see that well. Alright. Now, once I get that done, oh, and this is also what the tip should look like. Rounded off, you can use simple sandpaper and do it by hand if you want to. It's going to take a lot longer. I use a belt sander, but it's all up to you on how you want to do this, okay? But anyway, that's pretty much what it looks like. And that's just with the glue that has dried. Now, once that is done, then I paint the wand. And this is where the spray paint comes in. I just give it all a once-over coat over the entire thing. Pretty easy to do. Now, once I'm done with that, then this is where these paints come in. I like utilizing contrasting colors. I want the ones I make, I want them to kind of stand out just a bit. I want to make it look like this came from a tree limb, and these contrasting pieces look like bark from a tree. I think it gives it a more rustic, almost real look. But that's just me. And I utilize this brush, just simple paint, and then this takes the most time right here. It's painting in all that area that is glue. That's it. You're not painting the wood, you're painting the glue. But that's all. Very, very simple to make. And trust me, the kids will love it. They will think they are awesome. And you can use whatever colors. You can throw sprinkles or sparkles, whatever you want to. It's all your choice, your imagination, how you want to do this. And that's about it. Very short, simple video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Trust me, you can find other videos like this out there that talk about how to make these. So with that, I don't want to talk too much. And as you all may know, the Delightful Crafter, she often has a cat now and then, and that comes onto the camera. Well, I don't have a cat. I have a buddy, the Wonder Dog, who is currently just relaxing. And this is my studio. Obviously, not as sophisticated as the Delightful Crafter. But anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this. I hope it was something that you could use. Try it out. Very simple to make. And it doesn't cost that much. Anyway, y'all take care.